Hey guys, my name is Brianna and welcome back to my channel. And guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I started off my hair by braiding it into approximately 80 individual braids, and it took me about 5.5 hours to braid my hair. I really like how neat and straight my parts came out. I used Shining Jam on my roots and Cream of Nature argan oil throughout my hair. And I used 3 different synthetic 24-inch colored faux locks. All are leftover hair I had from previous lock styles. The first color is number 27, which is a light brown color, and it's from the Wiccan store on Amazon. I'll link all of the locks used in the description. The next is color number 30, which is dark brown, and it's also from the Wiccan store. The last color I used is number 350, which is a red copper color, and it's from the ZRQ store. And all of these locks are really thin and fairly the same size, except the color 350 locks, which is a little thicker and longer. And to do this style, I used a crochet hook that I already had. To crochet the locks on my individual braids, I first get the lock I want to use and open up its pre-loop with my finger. Then I take my crochet hook and insert it beneath the start of one of my braids. Next, I put the lock on the crochet hook, close the hook, and pull the lock through, but just a few inches of it. I remove the crochet hook, and then I proceed to pull my braid and the rest of the lock through the pre-loop together. Then I tighten the knot after I pull my braid and lock through. Next, I take my crochet hook and insert it a few inches down the lock and through the center of it and work my way up. I push the crochet hook through the start of the lock and attach it to the center or end of my braid, and I pull it through the lock. I then scrunch and twist the lock around my braid to tighten it and hide the braid better. Then I just repeat that step until my braid is all the way in the lock. So guys, this is the final look, and I'm surprised at how well the colors go together. I was hesitant to use the copper red color because I wasn't sure it would look good with the lighter and darker brown color, but it does. I've gotten so many compliments on this style. And even though more of the brown locks were used, the copper red really pops. The hair also looks full, but not too much. I used about 1.5 packs of each color, so about 4 packs of hair to do this style. It took 6 hours to crochet the locks, which is longer than it normally would take me to crochet the hair. The locks were so thin that I was spending a lot of time making sure the braids were hidden in the locks well, so it was a little challenging. As a result, some of my black braids still showed through a lot of the locks, and my braids were fairly small too. But it's not that noticeable and it doesn't make the hair look bad or anything. But just keep that in mind if you're interested in purchasing this hair and crocheting the way I did. I think the color of the locks are really cute for fall too. I also did a pattern with these locks. I would do a dark brown lock, then a copper red one, and then a light brown lock. I also made sure not to put the same colors next to one another. It was easy to do that in the back of my hair and in the middle, but towards the top it got a little more challenging to keep the pattern the same since it was fewer braids in rows. But I think my pattern for the locks turned out really well. But let me know what you thought of this style, and thanks so much for watching.